How to schedule Instagram messages. Finally, Instagram does have a built-in feature that allows user to schedule messages to be sent later directly within the app. So here is how to do it. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device, then make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once logged in, tap on the message icon available in the top right corner of your screen, then simply look for the conversation you want to send later message to. Now simply tap on the conversation. Now here, type down the message normally. Now instead of pressing the send, long press on the send arrow option available there. Then you will get to see schedule message. Now here, simply choose the date, day and the time. You can scroll and choose the time, date. Here I am scheduling my message for tomorrow 6 o'clock. Then there you can see send and the date and time you have chosen on the blue highlights. Now all you have to do is tap on it and it will be confirmed. Once done, so you can see one scheduled message option available there. Tap on it to recheck it. And here you go. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.